Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, April 23. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says the new tax package announced last week is essential to the continuation of Jamaica's economic reform program. At a post-budget press conference on Tuesday, Dr. Phillips said the $6.7 billion tax package would help Jamaica achieve its primary surplus target of 7.5%. He outlined that if Jamaica did not have a portion of money after paying its debt, the sacrifices made by public sector workers, bondholders, and the wider public would be in vain.
And would put us back to square one, where we would be closed out from access to the resources of the multilateral institutions, and we would be closed out further from access to private capital markets. The improvements in our ratings by the rating agencies would disappear, and again, the trust deficit, which we have been trying to repair, would be widened.
Dr. Phillips further explained that the main reason for the new tax package was a 5% shortfall in revenues in the last fiscal year, due to factors beyond the government's control, such as the decline in oil prices, which reduced the border taxes. Only $420 billion was collected. Meanwhile, the finance minister is insisting that the upcoming income tax threshold will help to cushion the effects of the new taxes. As of January 1, 2015, the income tax threshold will increase by $49,920, putting more money in the hands of Jamaicans. In direct response to concerns about the new levy on banking withdrawals, Dr. Phillips pointed out that in most cases, the additional take-home income from raising the income tax threshold should more than cover the levy rate for withdrawals.
After they have withdrawn and paid the $1,000, they are ahead of the game.
In the meantime, Dr. Phillips said the alternatives to the current revenue-raising measures would place additional burden on pay-as-you-earn workers as well as the most vulnerable. And in his contribution to the budget debate Tuesday, opposition spokesman on finance, Audley Shaw, recommended that the National Housing Trust lift the loan ceiling for contributors. He recommended that the ceiling be raised from $4.5 to $6 million, which would make $12 million available for joint purchase mortgages. While delivering the throne speech earlier this month, Governor General Sir Patrick Allen revealed that government intended to spend $22 billion to provide safe, secure, and affordable housing solutions through the NHT this fiscal year.
The main areas of expenditure will be on open market loans, build on own land, home improvement loans, and the construction of solutions, particularly the small contractor program. This year, the National Housing Trust will complete over 2,000 more housing solutions.
Residents of Hellshire St. Catherine now have a new police post in their community. The facility, which was opened recently by National Security Minister Peter Bunting, is in keeping with government's plans to promote proximity policing.
I think it signals a community that's involved, that's concerned, that wants to partner with the police to bring safety and security, and very importantly, the perception of safety and security in the community.
The building to house the Hellshire Police Post was leased from the Urban Development Corporation. And finally, the Black River Market in St. Elizabeth is on track to become a state-of-the-art facility for commerce within another 4 to 5 months. Tankweld Limited was recently given a $16.76 million contract to construct 170 vending stalls at the market. It's part of a $25 million allocation from the Tourism Enhancement Fund to complete Phase 2 of the $68 million Black River Market rehabilitation project, which should be completed by August. It's one of 25 key markets across the island identified for redevelopment.
We are using this project as a benchmark for the new parochial markets, which will cater to a diverse mix of entrepreneurs such as farmers, vendors, craftsmen, cooks, and transport operators.
The stalls will be designed to accommodate haberdasheries as well as ground provisions and fruits and vegetables. The remaining $8.24 million for Phase 2 will cover zoning the market and the installation of utilities. The Jamaica Emergency Employment Program is contributing $10 million to construct sanitary conveniences and a meat shop under Phase 3. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.